Today we're going to be going over homework problems with combinations. And after you see them worked out, you'll be able to do them yourself fairly easily. If you haven't already, please take a second and subscribe to this channel. Let's begin now on MathCat. 3, 2, 1. Two special things I want to tell you about the way I make my probability videos, specifically with combinations. The correct way to write a combination is 6C2, and this would be read the combination of 6 things taken 2 at a time. However, when you type that on your calculator, 6 NCR2, you get the N and the R along with the C on your display. So in my videos, I just go with this notation, 6 NCR2, where the 6, the C, and the 2 are written straight across, because that's what you're going to see on your calculator display, and it's easier for my students if I just talk in terms of what they see on their display. So I'm going to be using this notation, although technically this first one is how you would write the notation for combinations. The second thing I want to point out is that if you have 5 NCR3, it's equal to 5 NCR2. Let me show you why. 5 NCR3 is 10, 5 NCR2 is 10. The combination of 5 things taken 3 at a time is the same as the combination of 5 things taken 2 at a time. If I said 18 NCR8 or 18 NCR10, these would be equal. 18 NCR8 is 43,758. 18 NCR10 is 43,758. And the reason is anytime this number plus this number equals n, in other words, this is your r, this is your r, the numbers are interchangeable. 18 NCR8, 18 minus 8 is 10, 18 minus 10 is 8. Let's look at the formula for combinations. It's n factorial over n minus r factorial, r factorial. When we had 5 NCR3, r is 3. 5 minus 3 goes here, n minus r is 2, and r is 3. When we had 5 NCR2, 5 minus 2 is 3, and r is 2. All you're doing is switching the positions of the 3 and the 2 in the denominator. Anytime you're doing combinations and you're just switching r for the difference, 5 minus 2 is 3, 5 minus 3 is 2, 18 minus 10 is 8, 18 minus 8 is 10, you're going to get the same answer. If we said 100 NCR98, that would be equal to 100 NCR2. 100 NCR98 is 4,950. 100 NCR2 is 4,950. 100 minus 98 is 2. 100 minus 2 is 98. So they're reversible in that way for combinations. And those are two tricks I wanted to show you so we can go on and do the probability videos my way.